Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to download Kuccps admission letters for 2025 for those students who are joining in September. And I'll be using an example from Moi University. So without further ado, let's get started. So we will visit the first year portal, and here you can read about the admission letter, but I want you to click on this link, which is going to lead us to this website. And here we have two options. One is for self-sponsored students and two is for Kuccps placed students. Now here we'll put the index number / the year of KCSE, and we're going to do that pretty quick and just like that. And then we will have this security stamp where we are going to put the result for 21 plus 27, then click on login. And with that, it will log in. And from there, we need to register or create an account. So we'll click on register and this will load. We need to give data consent agreement. And by that, we just need to click on this checkbox. And from there, we have 5 steps and we are going to fill in this information. I may not go through all the process, so you'll follow the prompts and fill in. Then from there, we need to put in the information for the high school. So we are going to do that. I'm avoiding to mention this because YouTube has been flagging my posts and removing them from YouTube. So that's why I'm just mentioning what to do. But these are things you can fill just quickly. So after that, we'll submit the information. Then from there, we'll move to next. Here, we need to put the home address, and we're going to do that pretty quick. And after doing that, we'll need to fill in the information for the next of kin. So you'll choose who is your next of kin, and then you'll put in the information as required. Then from the next of kin, we need to put in the marital status, which we'll do pretty quick. And then lastly, we'll put in the information about our parents. So we are going to fill in the details for our father, the details for our mother, and all that. And if they are deceased, you'll choose the deceased and fill in the required information. Okay, so after you fill that, we can put there the academic referees, but this is optional. So we are not going to put there the academic referees. All we need to do now is to click on next. After that, it will lead us to step 4, where we now need to fill the sports or games. Unfortunately, they have only put 1. Then the club is also 1. How did you hear about Moi University? We are going to pick how we heard about Moi University. And then we are going to declare that we are registering. And after that, you're going to submit and finish. Okay, it will take a moment. And here we need to accept or reject offer. So you can read through all this, but all we need to do is to accept. So we are going to pick I accept and then click OK. Then from there, it's now successful. It's now taking you to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, we have the admission number. We have the registration status. You can also make payment if you wish. We have the description over here. And most importantly, we have now the button to download our admission letter, and we can happily also download the fee statement. From there, there are attachments that you need to download, and there are not many because most of the things you've already filled during the creation of the account. So all you need to do is to download the relevant documents that you need to print, fill, and then submit on the day of admission. So something like a medical form is a must. Something like a student laptop specification. This you can print just so that you can get the right laptop. And I think here the most important thing is you need to download the medical form, which you're going to fill and submit on the day of admission. So I found out that the admission letters for Moi and Kabarak have the process of filling the information online, and then they are doing away with paperwork. They don't want you to have many forms during the day of registration. And that's why they are taking you through the process so that they can have your information before you report in their school. For the other universities, they are still doing paperwork. So that means you have to submit the forms, and then they will enter the information into their systems, and you'll be admitted in the school. If you have any questions concerning how to download the admission letters, please feel very free to drop me a comment. I'll be able to reply to the comment. For those of you who are reaching out through WhatsApp, I'll be able to respond. Although those who are reaching me through calls, I may not be in a position to pick all the calls, but at least drop me a comment. I'll be quick to see it and reply to it than receiving a phone call. Otherwise, I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be pushed to more people who are searching about this topic. If you like my general content, feel very free to subscribe with notifications on so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, I want you to click this side of the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.